Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What I want to do on this episode is talk about Cornucopias, specifically the token price. So nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. So you guys have seen my previous videos where Cardano has jumped to around $1.20. And COPI has had a big rally. So that rally is actually not even as good as what we're seeing right now. So Bitcoin hovering around 96K. I told you it's going to go sideways and alts are going to pick up. That's what happened. So ADA has picked up. And guys, comment down below if you own any COPI tokens. So take a look at this. We are up roughly, let's call it 15% on the day, 75% on the week. But on the month, we're up 133%. So all time, this thing has been, bottoming around a penny, 2 pennies. It has been a wonderful opportunity to pick up more COPI. So I'm kind of going through it now. It's like, do I start selling now? My first initial sellout or DCA out point was going to be 100 mil. But I've experienced a lot in crypto now where, you have to learn to take profits. Recently on SNEC, I took profits. I sold all my SNEC. But of course, then the Moose got loose, put on baby SNEC, which is even more degen. But the Moose has a lot of cigars to buy, right? And if we're trying to get more premium cigars, we need to take some more risk, right? So guys, that shouldn't be financial advice as well. So this is baby SNEC. I just did a video on this. That will be out shortly. It's just uploading. Yeah, man. So I'm very excited about some of the opportunities here. Ultimately, I think this thing could probably 5-10x from here. It's possible, but it's also risky. So just like COPI, we're taking a look here. It's gone up a lot in a short period of time. We will see pullbacks. But right now, for whatever reason, maybe we are at the start of what I've been talking about for a while, Web3 gaming going nuts. And right now, Cornucopias is the best metaverse game on Cardano, hands down. In fact, it's probably the best metaverse game in crypto. I'm pretty confident in saying that. So this token is also available on other chains. Me personally, so I have quite a bit of COPI on different wallets. But one thing I wanted to mention as well is that they do have file nodes as well. So right here, you guys can see a little bit of what I have for balance. So I have a little bit more than this on other wallets as well. But if you guys do want to track some of my crypto, you guys can go to pool.pm, type in loose moose. So it's one of my handles and you guys can track what I'm up to. So, these are the things that I like to, trade with when I'm on the go, etc. So I converted some of this stuff into ADA because I took profits. So all my Igon, I took profits. It's over 100 mil market cap. Not that I don't think it'll go higher. It probably will. It might hit a bill. It could easily do that actually, assuming we go up. But in the meantime, I want to make sure I have some ADA. So I want to have some ADA. In my main holdings right now is ADA, Bitcoin, COPI, NVL. That's about it. Other than that, I got a couple of degen stuff like baby SNEC, but it's a small percentage. It's like 1% of my portfolio, if that. Okay. So guys, use the link tree. There's also a sale right now. Okay. So we'll wrap up here in a little bit, but I did want to send this to you because right now, guys, you can do a buy one, get one half off. So I was checking this out, updating the link tree, and I'm like, what is this? So as you guys know, use code Moose, save 10% off, and you also get the buy one, get one half off. So guys, if you want to protect your crypto, you can also hold COPI with BNB with the Tangem. I wonder if I have that Tangem COPI. I may have done a video on this. There you go. So swap tokens, USDT, COPI. You can do that with Tangem. So I teach you how to get COPI on BNB with Tangem. So I have a lot of videos to help you guys out. So even, for example, we could just put in COPI. If you want to learn how to get it with different chains, I've got you covered. Check out the previous videos. So another thing in the link tree, I also have links of where you can pick up the file node NFTs for COPI. So this is my Cornucopias file node access key link. So guys, use that if you want to pick up some nodes. This is something where you can delegate or register your node and earn some passive rewards. So for me, the fact that I already have some COPI tokens, the thing is, once it gets to a certain level, I can DCA out and I'm already reaccumulating more COPI. So I'm earning roughly 97 COPI per day. So I have 3,000 COPI available to claim. Maybe next bull run, when COPI is at a, perhaps an exponential level, maybe something that in the billions, we don't know, then that could be, $3,000 right there. So these are things that I'm starting to think about as an investor. So guys, comment down below. What do you think? I'm probably going to title this video COPI at 60 cents. I assume we're going to hit it. We are very close here. If we don't hit it, it's the moose's fault. The moose jinxed it. But guys, comment down below. What are you doing with your COPI? Should the moose DCA out? I'm being serious. Should I take profits on my COPI? Because, let me see. Yeah, I mean, I only bought COPI at like 1 or 2 cents. So you guys let me know. I held it. I've held COPI all the way. Man, I remember it jumped up here. I never took profits. And that hurt me a little bit mentally because it slid all the way down here. We're now only starting to go back up. So guys, let me know. Maybe at 8 cents, 7, 8 cents, if it does hit that, I will start to convert some. So that being said, the moose is loose. Thank you so much for subscribing and being part of the channel. Cheers.